Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the slip stitch back loop join. This technique is used to join any crochet motifs together. For this tutorial, you will need some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make the slip knot, the slip stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. For my two motifs that I'm going to be joining together, I made the solid granny square. I have a video on that and I will have it listed down below as well. So to begin this join, you're going to start by bringing the slip knot through the corners of both of your motifs. So here's my slip knot. I have it on my hook and I'm bringing it through the corners of both of those. Make a chain that's going to secure it to both of those motifs. Now you can see that these are the tops of our stitches. You're going to be working through these loops on the outside only. So I'm going to insert my hook into this loop, just that one, that back loop, and then the back loop of this stitch right here. So you can see that they line up. Grab that yarn I'm working with, bring it through both of those back loops, and then bring it through that loop on my hook. So that's going to be a slip stitch through those back loops. Same thing for the next one. Insert your hook into this loop right here. So this back loop of this stitch. Insert your hook into the back loop of this one. Grab that yarn, bring it through both of those loops, then bring it through that loop on your hook. The next one, here's that back loop. Insert your hook into that back loop right there. Then with the lined up stitch on the other motif into that back loop. Grab the yarn you're working with, pull it through both loops, then through the loop on your hook. And you're going to repeat this until you get to the end of your motifs or to that last corner. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to insert your hook into both of those corner spaces. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, and pull it through that loop on your hook. Then I like to make a chain at the end of my row just to make sure it's secured. And that's how that is looking. So this is what the back of your motifs are going to look like, and this is what the front of your motifs are going to look like. So that is going to be how to make the slip stitch back loop join. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.